Sammy, are you alright?
I'm alright.
Okay, thank goodness. Can you get out? Maybe Grammy will help you get out.
Are you stuck?
You stuck?
Are you stuck here? Hold my hands.
No.
Oh, whoa. Ah.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Dad?
Yeah, there's your shirt. Oh, no. It's upside down. Oh,
Upside
no.
down, man.
Oh, no. See?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, no. He's sliding upside down.
Whoa. You alright? Are you alright?
Yeah.
Dad.
Oh. Are you okay?
Alright.
Oh, good. Thank goodness, honey.
Good. There. All set.
We're going to give Grammy kisses? Can you give Grammy kisses? No kisses, huh?
No, we have to get shirt and socks.